Hello friends, today we will discuss about food-grade Cassia gum powder. Cassia gum powder is also known as Cassia powder, Cassia Tora powder, Cassia Tora splits powder. It is manufactured from the endosperm of Senna obtusifolia or Cassia obtusifolia or Cassia Tora or Cassia Occidentalis. Cassia Tora Seeds, Cassia Tora L, Cassia obtusifolia L, Caesalpiniaceae, are then subject to different mechanical cleaning steps to remove other impurities, such as farm waste, undeveloped seeds, and stones. After cleaning, the seeds are dehusked and de-germed by milling and screening to get Cassia Tora splits. The splits are ground to a uniform small particle size powder. It is a natural gelling agent and has uses in pet food as well as in food additives. Apart from this, it also has extensive uses in industries. Uses: this gum powder is used in combination with carrageenan and used in the preparation of air freshening gels. The frozen dairy desserts use this as thickeners, moisture retention agents, foam stabilizers, emulsifiers, and texturizing agents. In personal care products, it is used as surfactants. Its water-soluble properties make it a great product for toiletries, gels, creams, pastes, ointments, capsules, and many more products. It is segregated into a few segments. Pet food grade: it is a natural polymer and an ideal stabilizer, thickening, and gelling agent for use in the manufacture of canned pet foods for cats and dogs. Due to high standards of quality and cost-effectiveness, it is used in the manufacture of high-quality pet food. Human food grade refined Cassia gum powder is very useful in other applications, for example emulsification, foam stabilization, moisture retention, and texture improvement at concentrations comparable to those of other edible natural gums. Some typical applications are ice cream, cheese, sauces, yogurts. Food-grade Cassia gum powder are 100% natural sourced and creates innovative structures. Blend grade: there are custom blended products that use state-of-the-art blenders and suit various pet and food applications. Technical grade: Cassia is a gelling agent used as an air freshener in the form of gels. Along with the above, Cassia Tora powder has other applications used especially in food industries as it has excellent gelling properties. It is also used in textile printing, paper industries, and oil field applications. Air freshener. Paper industry. Uses of Cassia gum powder as a food additive: Cassia Tora is a wild weed that grows in many parts of India, and its chemical structure and physical properties are the ones that make up Cassia gum powder contributes to its usage as an additive in food. It forms perfect gels with brilliant unique properties when Cassia Tora powder is mixed with hydrocolloids like xanthan gum and carrageenan. Uses of Cassia gum powder in the food industry: about 1 to 2% cassia oil is found in the Cassia Tora plant, which gives a spicy aroma and gives a great taste in human foodstuff. Roasted gum seed is used as a coffee substitute. Cassia gum powder is an additive for pet food and cattle feed products. Europe and India approve the use of Cassia powder as an additive for pet food and cattle feed products. Also in Japan, the Cassia Tora seed powder is recommended for application in animal feeds as the powder lacks toxic effects on animals. What makes it best for use is that it is safe as a pet food thickening or as human food thickening ingredient. Semi-refined Cassia gum powder in the cosmetic industry: use of semi-refined Cassia gum powder enhances viscosity and provides a thick paste-like form which prevents overuse of product, meanwhile preserves the hair from damages as well. It makes the product easy to use and apply. In a nutshell, the key roles of Cassia gum powder include as gelling agent, thickener, emulsifier, stabilizer, bonding agent. To know more about Cassia gum powder, visit at www.agrogums.com. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.